How much daylight are we freaking saving? Like, how much?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are back. Today is Friday and I feel really good today, honestly. The weather has me concerned because it was almost 80 degrees yesterday and it's November. And if you live on the East Coast and like the Mid-Atlantic Northeast area, which is like New York, Philly, New Jersey, then you know like that's not normal. Like, I'm so confused. Like, why is it so hot? I just want to put on my fall clothes. I want to put on my boots, my stockings, my leggings. Like, I'm ready to get in the fall mood, but fall is not here. It still feels like summer. So yeah, I'm very confused about that. But nonetheless, it's been a good few days. Yesterday I went to a concert and that was really fun. I went to see Leon Bridges. He does a mix of like soul and country music, but he does it so well. He's a Black artist, so if you guys don't listen to his music, definitely like take a listen. He's such a great artist. But yeah, the concert was really fun. I had a really good night. So it is the next day and I have a lot to do today, you guys, like a lot to do. So I purchased some roses, some really beautiful red roses. Normally I like to do white roses because I'm obsessed with white roses, but we did red. We did red and we're going to take it out of the plastic and put it into our vase and just have our kitchen looking really cute and just really flirty. Like, I love the red, so we're gonna do that. I'm also going to a stretch class this morning because my muscles are like so tight. So the stretch class is like an hour and I'm really excited about it because this is my first stretch class. I told you I was going to try different things. So I'm looking into bar classes, Pilates, stretch classes. So today is my first stretch class. And then I have my first bar class next week. So we're trying new things. But I think the stretch class is going to be awesome because I really need it. Like, I used to be a cheerleader, a dancer, so whenever I had practices and stuff, stretching was like always in a routine and I was so flexible. But now, you know, I'm not a spring chicken no more, but I need the stretch class. Like, I need to stretch my muscles. So after the stretch class, we are going to work out. I need to go to the market to purchase some things for dinner today. I also want to go to Ulta because they have these new press-on nails that I think are so adorable. And mine are getting old. So if you don't know, I go to the nail salon to get my feet done. However, for my nails, I love press-ons because they're just so easy to do and they don't mess up my nail bed. So I'm a press-on girly, okay? I love my press-ons. So we're gonna go to Ulta, get some new press-ons. And then we're gonna go to the gym and work out because I need a good workout. And I think with the stretch class, going there first and then working out, I think that'll make like a huge difference in my workout and how I feel afterwards. So I'm really excited to see how that feels. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. It's a very chill day, but a fun day, going out, doing things that I want to do, and things that just really make me feel good. So that's what we're doing today. But one thing that I'm just like so annoyed with every single year, like I'm gonna say it every single year, how much daylight are we freaking saving? Like, how much? I hate, like, this time of the year, I try to find the joy in it, but it's so hard because it's like the days that I have to go into the office, it's like you wake up, it's dark, you go to work, you're in work all day. When you're coming home, it's dark. Like, you have absolutely no day. So it's like you have to jam pack everything in like a few hours before it even gets dark again. So that's my only thing about like vlogging during the winter. It's like you have to pack so much in during the daytime and it's not for me because as soon as it gets dark, my brain tells me to go to sleep. Like, I'll be in the bed by like 6 p.m. It's so bad. Like, as soon as it get dark, I get so sleepy. Like, I don't know. Like, my mind is literally telling me as soon as you see the sun go down, even just a little bit, go to sleep, get tired. Like, I can't stand it. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and go to our stretch class. But before that, I'm just gonna go ahead and rearrange my flowers, but then we're gonna get ready and go out for the day. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I don't know, I guess I'll see you guys later. Oh, but before I go, I wanted to show you guys my makeup that I did yesterday. It came out so adorable. I did a more natural look with the no lashes, and I did like a new makeup technique, and it came out so cute. I had my hair slicked back, so this is what we were looking like last night. But I've been trying different things with my makeup too, and I'm just loving like a good natural soft glam with no lashes. Like that's been like my absolute go-to, and it just came out so good. So I had to show you guys because like my makeup has like been literally evolving for the best. Because before, like I used to be okay with makeup, but just like okay, and now I think I'm getting so much better with my technique, and it's like coming out so good, especially when I go to take pictures. Like I'm just starting to love like that natural soft glam look. So yeah, that's what we were looking like last night. But I just wanted to show you guys because I feel like I'm improving. I feel like I'm evolving. Like, am I going to be a makeup girly? I think I'm going to be a makeup girly. Like, I think with more practice, I can definitely get there. I think I want to kind of go and get my brows done too because they look so crazy, but the skin is skinning. But I feel like my skin looks so much better when my eyebrows are done. Like, do you guys feel like that? So I'm thinking about going to get them done today, but I'm not sure. I was really trying to wait until next week because I have an event, and I love my eyebrows to be freshly done for events whenever I have big major events, because it's so easy to do my eyebrows with like the eyebrow pencil and the pomade and everything. So I don't know. We might do that. We might not. But the skin is skinning. Okay. So before anything, I had to go and make me some breakfast. I made some avocado toast with some egg and tomato, and it came out so good. You can see I made the tomatoes really, really well. I cooked them down, and it was just so good on the avocado. Guys, so I just left the stretching class and it was awesome. It was a really good stretch. Loved the class. It was really good. I wasn't able to film just because it was kind of crowded and I didn't feel comfortable filming in there while it was so quiet and people were like really getting like their stretch on. And plus it was my first class, so I didn't want to go in there like filming everything. But it was really good. So I just pulled up to Ulta to get the press-on nails that we talked about earlier because my nails look so bad. So yeah, we're about to go into Ulta and do that. So both came out very cute. This is what it's looking like. I love them. I love them so much because in the salon, this would have cost an arm and a leg for metallic. And these were only $15.99 from Ulta, and it's the OPI brand.